Alright, I'm now going to measure the truck, same truck, sound diaper service truck. I have the tape measure sitting on the floor. Tape measure goes up, and right there where my truck stops is 104 inches. 104 inches is 8 feet 8 inches. 8 feet 8 inches right there. 8 feet 8 inches is actually above the top of the truck. So if the drive-through was 9 feet like it said, I would have had more than enough clearance. But the camera at the drive-through was obviously less than 9 feet. Sound diaper service. This is Nat Boggs. It's Wednesday the 27th, 2007. I'm looking at the top of my delivery truck and the damage that was done as I went through the Sleater Kinney McDonalds today. As you can see, there's large dents all the way down the top of the truck. I'm going to show you the damage a little bit closer up. Scratches go across the interior beams of the truck. There's a piece of the sign. And right there, you can see that it tore a hole in the top. Hole's about 4 or 5 inches long, and goes right down into the interior of the truck. Scratched pretty bad. I think that's the only hole, but that definitely should be repaired, otherwise water damage could get inside. Alright, so I'm at the McDonald's where on Sleater Kinney, where I scratched the truck, and here's the sign. It says clearance 9 feet right there. That's the actual canopy that I went under with my truck. I cleared that canopy no problem. That canopy is actually built to come up and down if somebody over 9 feet goes under it. It didn't bump when I did it at all. There, right there is a sign that was damaged when I was trying to back out. It says 24 hours. You can see down there that there's another one. I'm going to measure the height of those signs and the cameras in just a minute. Alright, I'm going to measure from the ground all the way up. And right there is 101 inches.